Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a lavalier microphone and it is too loud. And by too loud, I don't mean because if you're getting the sounds you want, you can turn that down. But by too loud, I mean really too sensitive, and it's picking up a lot of sort of extraneous sounds, extraneous ambient sounds that you don't want. So there's a couple different ways that you can deal with this depending on the microphone that you have. So I'm using, for this example, I'm using this Tomasiak microphone, and if you're interested in this one, I'll put a link down below, but a lot of these microphones work in a very similar way. They don't have a manual way to do this. They just have basically an automatic noise reduction function, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that your noise reduction function is engaged. So on this microphone, how you know that this is that you have this top light here is with the little connection. That's just showing you that it's connected to the receiver. And then this M down here is the mode light. So it has different modes. So if you have this, if this is off, it's just in sort of normal mode, normal standard microphone mode. If I hit it again, it turns pink. That's a reverb mode. If I hit it and it goes red, that is a mute mode. And if I hit it again, you'll see it turns blue. And when it turns blue, that means that noise reduction is now on. So it will reduce the volume of any extraneous noise or noise coming from far away. So make sure that this is engaged, and that may fix your too much extraneous sound issue.